Before we dive right into an overview of the Prime Time Avenger, let's take a look into Prime Time manufacturing itself. It was begun by RV pros, and they've been making solidly built travel trailers and fifth wheels for over a decade. Plus, as part of Forest River, you know they'll be around for a long time. Now, let's get into the conventional travel trailer Prime Time Avenger features, then hit a few floor plans after. Let's start by talking about keeping cool during those hot summer months via a 13,500 BTU AC for all Avengers and a 15,000 BTU option on some of the larger floor plans. For the days when mornings are a bit cool, you have in-floor ducted heat in dual-axle Avengers, and a few have a built-in electric fireplace. Sounds pretty cozy if you ask me. Now, let's get to the heart of most travel trailers, the kitchen. You'll get great camp cook loving amenities like a large 17-inch oven in dual axle models. You'll also find an undermount stainless steel deep basin sink with high-rise faucet and stainless steel rolling dry rack. You'll see a kitchen backsplash, thermofoil seamless countertops, ball bearing guides on all drawers including the pots and pans drawer, flush mount glass range in dual axle models, cooktop with 2 or 3 burners depending upon model, a large 12-volt ever-chill fridge, a microwave, a skylight, and even a bottle opener. You can make the living area dark with standard pleated nightshades. In the bathroom, a nice touch is a medicine cabinet with a mirror, and the showers all have a surround. Avenger bedrooms include dual shirt closets, an extra large enclosed overhead cabinet, bedside USB ports, and 112-volt power outlets plus TV cable connection. TV actually gets me to entertainment, and all Avengers have entertainment via a residential soundbar that includes Bluetooth connectivity. In larger Avengers, you'll also get a sizable LED TV. Entertainment assistance, as it were, extends into the Avenger exterior. On the outside, you'll get speakers with blue LED lighting, digital TV antenna with signal booster, exterior TV coax connection in case you want to do some viewing outside, cables, satellite prep, and on dual axle models, Wi-Fi prep. Keep your campground party going outdoors under the power awning with LED lighting, and add a little boost to help your battery via getting hooked up to the Avenger's solar power prep. Your Avenger will come with good pass-through storage and stabilizer jacks to keep your Avenger from rocking. For cleanup, the Avenger exterior has a shower with hot and cold water and the convenient black tank flush on most models. Other exterior features include a backup camera prep to help you if you need it, and a doggy D-ring to keep your pooch safe and comfy under the awning. Prime Time prides itself in their travel trailer and fifth wheel construction. Among many details, you're going to get a powder-coated I-beam frame, 2-inch wall construction on 16-inch centers, cross-banded construction, Dynaspan 5/8-inch seamless floor decking up to 24 feet and with a 25-year warranty. You'll also get a fully insulated and enclosed underbelly with radiant heat, R7 insulation throughout, and a one-piece fully walkable TPO roof with 3/8-inch decking. Avengers come in 3 models: the Avenger LT, which is the light single-axle model, the Avenger LE, which are affordable dual-axle models, and the flat-out Avenger models, boasting more features and amenities. We'll highlight some of them, starting with the Avenger LT single-axles, all of which run under 4,000 pounds unloaded and measure out to an average of about 21 feet. The 16BH is a classically designed single-axle bunkhouse with twin stacked bunks, a convertible dinette, and a full-size bed. The 16BH can sleep up to 5. The 17FQS is a travel trailer designed for the camping couple. The rear bath has closet space, the dinette sits in a slide-out, and the bed is centered in the front cap with flanking wardrobe closets. The 17FQS is able to sleep a couple and 1 adult guest or 2 small children. Avenger LE models are a select subset and are basically around 31 feet and sit close to the 6,000 pound unloaded weight mark on average. A very popular LE model is the 28 QBSLE. In the back, you'll get a private bunk room with a pair of stacked twin bunks. In the living area, there's a large slide out and a full-length pantry. Up front, the bedroom has a solid door for privacy. The 28 QBSLE can sleep up to 8. The Avenger models are all dual axle. For weight, they'll all be over 5,000 pounds dry, and some reach into the 8,000 pound range. In length, they'll average close to 33 feet, some more, some less. Let's check out some bunkhouse floor plans designed to bring the family camping. The 27 DBS has large double bunks, a massive living area slide out, and solid sliding doors for the bedroom that allow you to exit like royalty. A big entertainment center sits across from the sofa, and you also get an outside kitchen. The 27 DBS can sleep up to 9. The 28 BHS is a unique bunkhouse, as in the back it has double bunks over a jackknife sofa. The living area has a slide out that sits across from the angled entertainment center with fireplace. The bedroom has private entry from the exterior. Overall, the 28 BHS can accommodate 9 sleepers. For couples, there are many Avengers to fit your needs, including the 24 RLS. This Avenger has that extremely large U-dinette in his slide and a jackknife sofa on the back wall across from an entertainment center. The bedroom has 3 wardrobe closets. The 24 RLS is perfectly capable of having 5 sleepers. The 27 RBS can sleep 5 and is a delight for those who want a bigger bathroom. You'll find a ton of storage space with 2 linen closets and a full-size shower. The living area has a massive slide-out, full-length pantry, and a large entertainment center. You'll also get an outside kitchen in the 27 RBS. Whichever campground you want to be in whatever part of the country, there's a Prime Time Avenger conventional travel trailer to fit you and your family's needs. Check them out at campingworld.com and happy camping.